We still get a lot of requests for people that still care about their personal protection. One of them being right now, I've been receiving a lot of requests for the eye goggles. I know that I posted them a while ago. My own personal set were the rose gold, right? So I posted those and a lot of people like them. When I wear them, people are looking like, what is that? But yes, these are protective eye goggles embellished with rose gold bling. Okay, so I'm here for you, right? Because you know I'm a little dramatic with the bling sometimes. So this is what I like to wear when I am out and I don't really want a full shield, but I want something a little jazzy with a little flair, you know, just to add a little embellish or bling to my look for the day. But realistically, I'm really scared of COVID, so I just protect my eyes in case there's like saliva or any unwanted substances like that's trying to reach my eyes. So that's partly the real reason why I really wear them. And then I can still wear a mask, right? So I can still wear my face mask. Okay, and still wear my eye goggles. So I have eye protection and then mouth protection.